Hello everyone! In this issue I will show you our Machenike G6V2. How to adjust the tension of our joystick. Okay, first of all, let's find the joystick adjustment plate that comes with the package. Our joystick adjustment tool is the mesh layer included in the controller case. Then with a small piece of tape. A small white tape has been included for you inside the device. Everyone must pay attention when unboxing. Don't lose it. Well, next, we begin a formal process of regulation. First of all, let's take the right stick as an example. Okay, now it's the lightest force. We leave the factory by default with the lightest force, and then we need to increase the intensity. First, pull the rocker cap off it. After unplugging it, we use this joystick to adjust the pad for the second step. Go and adjust this thread inside. Screw it out. It may not be very easy to operate. Okay, after we screw it out. Here, I have screwed it to the top. Thirdly, align the rocker cap again. Reattach the joystick cap. We used 3 steps. Just adjusted the strength of our joystick. Lightest to heaviest. This is our joystick strength. Okay, it's infinitely adjustable, so you can set it anywhere you like. Then the left stick is the same way to operate. We use 3 steps. Can complete the adjustment of the force of the rocker. The first step is to pull out the rocker cap. The second step is to adjust the internal screws. The third step is to install the joystick cap back.